Today, I have decided to make a low carb, low oil food. I have to lose weight. So I am going to be making potatoes stew with skinless chicken. And while I am making my low carb, low oil food, I am going to tell you something. I have never been so grateful for building my side hustle. And today I am feeling even more grateful because there has been major change in my company. So I have been working for this company for 4 years. I am working in the sales team. There have been change in the company every year, but changes have not been like this one. So I am working in the sales team, and the company have decided that everybody in the sales team are going to do the same thing. So we are all going to be in the same level now. They don't care if you have been in the company for 10 years, if you have been in the company for 4 years, if you have just started with the company. They are putting us all at the same level. And you see, this is not good because there are people that have been expecting to be promoted. There are people that have been working very hard, giving their all in order to perform so that they can be recognized for all the revenue they have bring into the company. They can be recognized for all the hard work they have done in the company and be promoted. So this company don't care. They don't have a career growth plan for us. And this is not only happening in my company, it's happening in a lot of company because everyone you are speaking to is telling you that there is a change in their company as well. And I am telling you this because I have always told people that when you are working for a company, you must build a side hustle. Because when this type of change happen, when you have worked hard, when you have given everything to bring money to a company, when you have sacrificed everything to be the highest performer in your company, and at the end of the day, you are not recognized, the only thing that will make you not to regret what you have been doing is your side hustle. When you have a side hustle, no matter what change happen in your company, you will never be affected like someone who has nothing on the side. So guys, it's so important. I will never stop telling people who are working full-time to build something on the side for them. Build a small business for yourself because this is where you have control. This is where you can decide to do whatever you want. This is where you can build your own strategy on how you are going to grow and make more money. So I am saying this over and over again. Build your side hustle, especially if you are working full time. Now let me enjoy my food, guys. I'm hungry.